Clean laundry. Something most of us take for granted, but for 71% of the world's population, it's a luxury difficult to obtain. In Sacramento County, the homeless population has surged to over 9,000 individuals since 2015, and many of them don't have the means to keep their clothes fresh and clean. That's why Midtown Church is partnering with Be Encouraged. Together, we're journeying into the river encampments to provide our homeless population with fresh laundry each week. Our volunteers work hard to collect, clean, and distribute clothing to those who need it most. But we need your help. We're seeking donations to cover the costs of machines, detergent, and fabric softener. With your support, we can grow this ministry and reach even more people in need in our community. It may seem like a small thing, but it's the very thing that can make a world of a difference. Clean clothes can restore dignity, provide hope, and bring healing over despair. So please, consider becoming a prayer warrior and donating to our cause. Thank you for helping us make a difference. Together, more and more people in our community will be encouraged.
They're going to be recognizing it. I think they do.
These people are a blessing, and I'm grateful for them.